My dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. You all are welcome to my today's class. I am Taran Akhtar, student teacher English, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Dear students, before starting today's text, let us watch a video. So, can you tell me what can you see in the video? What kind of disaster is it? I hope you have guessed. It is called cyclone. The video was about a cyclone, and the cyclone's name is Cyclone Aila. Our today's lesson is Cyclone Aila, and it is from Unit 24, Lesson 4 to 5. In my previous class, I discussed about Unit 24, Lesson 1 to 3, and today I will discuss about Lesson 4 to 5. At first, you know the meaning of some words from this text. The first word is awful, very bad or unpleasant, enough, as much or as many as to be needed, look for, to try to find something out, mud, soft and wet earth, rebuild, to build or construct something again, remember, to recollect something from memory, shelter, protection from danger or risk, survivors, people who somehow survive from an accident, কোনো সমস্যা বা বিপদ থেকে যারা বেঁচে যায় তাদেরকে বলে সার্ভাইভার্স, টুগেদার, কম্বাইন্ড উইথ সামওয়ান এলস. Now let us read the text, Unit 24, Lesson 4-5. We will read out the text through a video. Look, listen and read. The next day was awful. Babu's family couldn't stop crying. Nipa and grandfather were gone. Babu's father went out to look for them. He found Nipa in a field. She was holding onto a tree and she was covered in mud. She didn't remember anything. He took Nipa at home and began looking for his father. He looked in the fields, the buildings, and in the trees. Many people in Bangladesh were missing after Cyclone Aila, and Babu's grandfather was one of them. The family never found him. After Cyclone Aila, people worked together. Nipa's school became the shelter for the survivors. Babul and his family went to live in the school. The government of Bangladesh and workers from NGOs came to help, but things were very hard. There wasn't enough safe drinking water or food, so many people became ill. In time, people repaired their homes and rebuilt their villages and bridges. They planted new trees and new crops in their fields. Babul feels happy when he looks at the trees and his sister Nipa. But he feels sad about his grandfather. His grandmother says, "Don't be sad, Babul. Grandfather wants us to live for the future." Let us do some exercise from this text. At first, matching. Match the words of column A with the similar meaning of column B. The words given in column A are remember, holding, missing, safe, and repair. The meanings given in column B are someone who has disappeared. Keep in mind, fix the damage of something not in damage, supporting in a particular position, or keep from failing or moving. Answer number A will be A plus 2. B will be B plus 5. C will be C plus 1. D will be 4 and E will be 3. I hope you also have tried yourselves. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the best word from the box. There are more words given in the box. You have to choose the best word from them. A. Question number A. At first, Babu's family found that 2 members of the family were dash. B. Nipa was found covered in dash. C. A number of people in Bangladesh were missing after cyclone dash. D. For the survivors, Nipa's school became dash. E. The government of Bangladesh and workers from dash came to help. You see the clues: Aila, NGOs, shelter, find work, sound, mud, and gun. Now, dear students, you check the answers. First one is gun, then mud, then Aila, then shelter, and the last one is NGOs. Now, true false. Write true or false for the statements. You see the first sentence: many people were missing due to cyclone Aila. B. After cyclone Aila, people worked individually. Individually means alada alada bhabe, separately. Nipa school became the shelter for the survivors. Question number D. Babul and his family took shelter outside the school. E. There was no shortage of drinking water. Now, dear students, you see the answer of true or false statements. The first answer is true because many people were missing due to Cyclone Aila. This is correct. The second answer is false because after Cyclone Aila people worked together. C. True. Yes, Nipah school became the shelter for the survivors. D. False. Babul and his family took shelter outside the school. This is false because they took shelter inside the school. E. False. There was no shortage of drinking water. This is false because there was shortage of drinking water. পানির অভাব ছিল। পানির অভাব ছিল না, এটা মিথ্যে। This is false because there was shortage of drinking water. Now answering questions. You have to answer the question of the following. You see the question first. First question is what is awful. Then second question is where did Babu's father and Nipah. Then question number C is where did Babu's family go to live. Question number D is why did many people become ill. Question number E is what did the people do in their field. Now you see the answer of these questions. The first answer is the next day was awful. Second answer is Babu's father found Nipah on field. Answer number C is Babu's family went to live in the school. Answer number D is many people became ill because there was not enough drinking water or food. Answer number E is the people planted new trees and new crops in their field. When you will answer question answer, you have to be very careful using tense. Now dear students, your homework is write a short composition on Cyclone Aila. You have to write at least 5 sentences. To write this question, you will read out the text and following the text, you will try to write a composition on Cyclone Aila using your own language. So dear students, this is all about my today's class. Thank you all for joining my class. Stay home, stay safe. Best wishes for all of you. Allah Hafiz.